Today I'm going to show you how to subtract two two-digit numbers when you don't have any blocks to help you. So first, when we're subtracting two-digit numbers, do we subtract the tens or the ones? We subtract the ones first. And what do we do before we subtract? Circle the bigger number. Which is bigger, 3 or 6? 6. Big number on the top, no need to stop. Big number on the bottom, oh no, we got a problem. And the big number is on the bottom, so we do have a problem. What do? We go next door and get 10 more. I'm gonna cross off this 6, so I remember I don't have 6 tens anymore. Now if I have 6 tens and I move a 10 over here, now how many do I have in the ones place? I brought a 10 over, so now I have 13. Add a 10 to 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. How many tens do I have left now in the tens place? Well, if I had 6 tens and I moved one of my tens over, now I only have 5 tens left. It's basically like saying 6 minus 1. We can remember that because we have this 1 right here, kind of like a slashing it out. 6 tens, take away a 10 because we moved it over here. Now there's 5 tens left. Now we can subtract 13 minus 6. Well, we don't have our block, so we're going to use our fingers. So we'll put the 6 up on our fingers, and we're going to subtract from 13. So what's smaller than 13? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now we'll subtract the tens. 5 minus 4. I'll put the small number on my finger. Count smaller than the 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Let's do another one together. Now we'll do 84 minus 27. What do we subtract first? The ones. What do we do before we subtract? Circle the bigger number. Which is bigger, 4 or 7? 7 is bigger. Say the rhyme. Big number on the top, no need to stop. Big number on the bottom, oh no, we got a problem. Which one's on the bottom? The big number's on the bottom, so we do have a problem. So what do we need to do? Go next door and get 10 more. If I get 10 more from the tens place, how many am I gonna have over here in the ones place now if I bring a 10 over? 10 and 4 is 14. Now, how many tens do I have left? If I had 8 tens and I moved one of those tens over into the ones place, how many tens do I have left? 8, and I moved one away. How many do I have left? I have 7 left. Always make sure you write how many tens you have left. Now I can subtract 14 minus 7. Which one do I put on my fingers? Put the 7. Do I count bigger or smaller? I count smaller because I'm subtracting. What's smaller than 14? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now I can subtract the tens. 7 tens, take away 2 tens. I'll put those 2 up on my finger. Am I going to count bigger or smaller? Smaller. Smaller than the 7. 6, 5. So 84 minus 27 is 57. Let's do one final problem. Let's make the big total on top a big one. 95 minus 26. What do we subtract first, the tens or the ones? That's right, the ones. What do we do before we subtract? Circle the bigger number. Which is bigger, 5 or 6? 6 is bigger. Big number on the top, no need to stop. Big number on the bottom, oh no, we got a problem. And our big number is on the bottom, so we do have a problem. So what do? Say it with me. Go next door and get 10 more. If I bring a 10 over here from the tens place and put it in the ones place, how many do I have in the ones place now? A 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 6, oh, before I subtract, look, I crossed this guy out over here because I brought one of those tens over here. So if I had 9 tens and I brought a 10 over here into the ones place, how many tens do I have left? If I had 9 and I took one away to bring it over here, I only have 8 tens left. Now we'll subtract the ones. 15 minus 6. Which one can I put on my fingers? I can put 6 on my fingers. Am I counting bigger or smaller? Smaller. What's smaller than 15? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now the tens. 8 tens, take away 2 tens. I'm going to put the small one on my finger. Am I going to count bigger or smaller to subtract? Smaller. Smaller than the 8. 7, 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 95 minus 26 equals 69.